Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the vivo S10 Pro, which was just released in China a couple hours ago. Again, special thanks to my content partner Eva for providing the content. Please make sure to subscribe to her channel, link is in the description. Let's start with unboxing. There is a slogan on the packaging that says, "Natural soft light portrait, illuminate my beauty." Okay, open the box is the phone, 44-watt fast charger, some paperwork, a phone case, and a pair of earphones. I'm keen to this non-eco-friendly packaging. Now to the phone. The back finish of this phone, I got to say, is incredibly unique and classy. The color varies based on ambient lighting, kind of like sunset glow color. And here's the magic. If you put it under ultraviolet light or exposed to direct sunlight, it changes its color automatically, and then after 3 to 10 minutes, the color goes back. Here's a little experiment we did on the back. Is it any interesting? Now about the specs of the vivo S10 Pro. It features a 6.44-inch display with a Super AMOLED technology and a 4HD Plus resolution. The vivo S10 Pro uses the MediaTek Dimensity 1100 SoC, and it ships with Android 11 operating system featuring the brand new Orange OS 1.0. For normal gaming, it performs smooth and has a good thermal thanks to its 5-layer cooling system. The phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery and supports 44-watt fast charging. It's enough for one day for heavy using from our test. Unlike most other smartphones nowadays, which feature a punch hole on the screen for the front camera, the vivo S10 Pro has a fairly wide notch on its screen, and that's because the vivo S10 Pro has 2 front cameras. Not only that, it has 2 front selfie lights, which offer much more vivid selfies than the normal ones. We'll show you that in a second. For the rear camera, the phone has a triple camera setup at the rear, a 108 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Speaking of camera, we've shot numerous samples both at daylight and night. Please let us know if they're any good. For us, they look really natural for selfies and really good at processing details. What we really like is the rich features the vivo S10 Pro offers. Enjoy! I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life, and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is right.